Good morning, students. Welcome to Kakatiya IIT and Medical Foundation online classes, Nizamabad. In chemistry, 8th class, I'm going to discuss about the topic of atom and how to count the electrons, protons, and neutrons for the given species. First of all, we will discuss about the atom. So this atom word came from a Greek word, atomio. Atomio, this word is given by John Dalton. Okay, according to John Dalton, atomio means indivisible. Okay, this indivisible word means atomio. Okay, so atomio means divisible. Atomio means indivisible. So we cannot divide further. So that is atom. So this is according to John Dalton. So after John Dalton, inside of the atom, so many subatomic particles are discovered. So after the discovery of those particles, so atom we can divide, which means, so that subatomic particles are, so many subatomic particles are discovered. They are mainly electrons, protons, neutrons, and not only these, others also there. They are neutrino, antineutrino, and antiproton, meson, and pions, etc. Okay, so these are the subatomic particles: electrons, protons, neutron, neutrino, antineutrino, okay, antiproton, meson, and pions, etc., etc. These are the subatomic particles. In that, the fundamental subatomic particles are electron, proton, and neutron. So the fundamental subatomic particles are electron, proton, and neutron. So these are the main subatomic particles. So in our topic, we can discuss only about the electron, proton, and neutron. That's it. Okay. So we will continue. Actually, these are how these are present inside of the atom. We will discuss. Okay. So electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Inside of the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. Okay, we will see. Just take a look. And in case this is around the nucleus, if this is a nucleus, okay, this is a nucleus. So assume this is a nucleus. Inside of the nucleus, which are present? Protons and neutrons are present around this nucleus. This is nucleus. Okay. So around this nucleus, around the nucleus, these are paths called orbits. In orbits, electrons are exist. These are revolves around the nucleus. Okay, this is the structure. So I will show you with a video. In hydrogen atom, hydrogen atomic number 1, electrons are 1 electron only present. So once we will see in hydrogen atom how the electron is revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so just to take a look here. So there you can see inside this green one is nucleus. Okay, the green one is, this is a nucleus, and next this is electron. It was revolving around the nucleus in circular path, that is called orbit. This is orbit. So then just to take a look at the how it was revolving around the nucleus. See that electron is continuously revolving around the nucleus. Okay, this is in hydrogen atom. So same like that in other atoms also will be the electron revolves around the nucleus. So this is the structure of atom. So inside of the nucleus, protons, neutrons, and around the nucleus, electron revolves. So this is the structure of the atom. So then next we will see how we are representing the symbol of an atom or ion. Okay, so just I will show you how to write. So just take a look. For example, X is a symbol of an atom. Okay, X is a symbol of an atom. Generally here we are writing charge. Okay, generally we are writing there charge, and generally here we are writing atomicity. Okay, for the symbol of any atom we are writing there atomicity, and generally here we are writing mass. Okay, and here we are writing atomic number. Atomic number. Okay, so in that particularly we will discuss about what is atomicity. Okay, what is atomicity? Atomicity means the number of atoms. Okay, the number of atoms formed the molecule. The number of atoms formed molecule. Formed the molecule. For example, just take a look at this example. F2 there. F2 is a molecule. So in that molecule, how many fluorine atoms are there? 2. This 2 indicating what? This is atomicity of fluorine. Okay, atomicity. How many atoms are there? 2 atoms. So same like that. For example, O3. How many atomicity here? 3. Okay, here atomicity 2, here 3, because 3 atoms are combined to give O3, ozone molecule. Okay, just like that. So that is called atomicity. So next, atomic number. So what is atomic number? Actually, atomic number is number of protons present inside of the nucleus or number of electrons present in the neutral species is called atomic number of that atom. Okay, atomic number. Here, atomic number means the number of protons. The number of protons present in the nucleus. Present in the nucleus. And the number of electrons. Okay, this is a symbol of E minus is electrons present in neutral species. Okay, why I was mentioned that neutral species, I will tell you. Okay, I will explain, no problem. Nucleus and number of electrons present in neutral species. Okay, neutral species. So for example, so here I will give you one example. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Here nothing is mentioned on that hydrogen. There is no charge. No charge means here 1 is 1 proton. So 1 means 1 proton fixed. So then 1 proton as well as 1 electron. Okay, 1 proton, 1 electron. Because here 1 positive charge, 1 negative charge, neutral. That is why there is no charge. For example, in case there is mentioned H plus. H plus means 1 proton. Here plus means 1 electron is last. Last means here how many electrons are remaining? 0 electrons. Okay, now 0 electrons. As usual, same like that. For example, H minus. Okay, here 1 proton is common. So we cannot change the number of protons because they are inside of the nucleus. Okay, for division of nucleus need a lot of energy, but in that particularly like this simple atoms, we cannot divide the nucleus. So big nucleuses we can divide. Okay, we can study those matters, the topic in the higher classes. Okay, here 1 proton is fixed, and how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. So here negative charge indicating here 2 minuses and 1 positive. What is the net charge? -1. So this minus charge is indicating number of electrons are more than number of protons. Here positive charge indicating number of protons are more than number of electrons, which means their electrons are less. Okay, so that is the counting of number of electrons and number of protons. Okay, next come to the point, atomic mass. The topic is atomic mass. Atomic mass means actually the mass of